Hello everyone, this is Amin, and the idea of this video is to talk about ESP with different LCD displays. Actually, these are OLED, not LCD, but I mean different displays. This one has its own way of demonstration. This one has a different library, and this one is 0.9, this one is 1.3. Each one has a different library. And then I decided, because at the beginning it was kind of confusing for me. I thought one library and one line of code will work for everything, but it turned out it doesn't. Then I decided to make this video. In this video, you'll see how you can check everything. Okay, now we're going live. I have two videos on my YouTube channel about these two LCDs. I'm gonna put the link below, and since the programming language is the same, we're not gonna explain anything more. Everything would be the same. But in general, it is a 1602 LCD display. It means it has 16 characters in 2 rows. You can set it up with 4-pin D0 to D3. You can have it with 4-pin connection, you can have it with 8-pin connection, and also you can have it with I to C. Look, 3 ways of communicating are possible for you. On my YouTube channel, I have the 4-pin connection and I to C. It is for this one. For the other one, in the matter of connections and pins are the same. It's I to C, 4-pin, 8-pin connections. But this one is 2004. So what does it mean? It means it has 20 characters in 4 rows. You can print out more stuff here. As I said, everything will be the same, and there is no need to have more explanations here. The scope of my video in this recording is based on these two OLEDs. This one is 0.9 inches and this one is 1.3. I connected this. Let's see my funny. You can see it here. This one, which is the first one, it works on ESP32, ESP8266. You set the size of your LCD and your pins for sure. I used the D1, D2, which are my SCL SDA pins, the 3-volt connection, which is here, not 5. You might damage your LCD, and the ground pin. Then I commented some stuff here. You can use them. They're kind of cool. Then I'm gonna just play. Then let's see what we get. Okay, we got an error. Interesting. Okay, it turned out I've put them in the wrong place, but we have like 6 lines of hello world here. And the other one, the other code, which is based on this SH1106, which is this library. Again, I'm gonna put them in the GitHub account. If I play it, let's see what will happen. It changes the order, so it's kind of like the reverse way. And the cool thing that I like that we can add it is make it the invert. So if I copy this, come here, and let's add it here like that. And if I run it, it changes them like this. The same microprocessor, the same code. I'm gonna pull it out and then add this one. Hopefully this time in the correct place. If I run this, let's see what we get. Perfect. In a bigger size, but the same amount of characters. And let's see if this script works for that. Yeah, awesome. We have it here. This one works. This one works. But something kind of interesting that I noticed, if I unplug this and bring it back like this, for the first step, if I want to use it, I will see something like this. All in all, what I can say, let's use SSD 1306 on this one and the other one SH1106 on this one. Let's play safe. But what we want here, sometimes we would like to have things in a different way, like a different font or a different size. There are some libraries for them, however, they occupy and they require more RAM. And this one, since it is the mini one, it doesn't work for us. This is the same module, ESP8266, but in the regular size. This is the mini one. It has more RAM, and for that idea, it doesn't work. We do need this. What we're supposed to do, simply first let's unplug, then put it out. Let's play with this guy, but there are some sort of considerations that we should take for granted. What's the first thing? This pin should be here, and also D1, D2 aren't here. We're gonna put them into this. I guess now we're good. Then I'm gonna connect this to my LCD. Press and stop. Close this one, give Thani enough time to get what it has. Okay, let's see what do we have here. These two libraries are the extra libraries that we want them here, and this one is the one that we know that from the past. If I play, see what will happen, because it was the main PY. As soon as I connected, we got that in a bigger size and a different font. What else we can do? We can just simply comment these things out and bring these things like this. And also we can have the combination of the previous font and the new font. If I play this one, let's see, by running it, look, we have different. And also the other one, the inverting true and those stuff also is working. So if I just simply make this false to true and then run it back again, we can see it in this way. And we're done. Hopefully that video was helpful for you, and you can print out whatever you want in a cool way on your monitor.